What's up guys? So we're back here with another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102240. Now, this is a spoiler and it's for our Dodge Charger. And this is our VR5 style spoiler. Now let's go ahead and get this open so I can show you what it comes with. Now first, we have the spoiler. Then next, we should have the included hardware that comes with it. Now, for the included hardware, you'll have your included screws for installing it, as well as your 3M tape to prevent any weather from seeping inside your drilled holes or onto the screws. And this will also help mitigate any vibration caused after installing it. Now let's go ahead and get the spoiler opened up. Now, after opening, we can go ahead and get a look at the finish on it, which is our matte black finish, which I think looks amazing, especially since it goes with so many different styles of cars. No matter what build you're doing, this is an all-around great spoiler for your Dodge Charger. Now, if we take a look at the back here, just like some of our other spoilers, we already have the holes pre-drilled out, along with the nuts pre-inserted for easy install. So all you have to do is drill the holes into the trunk of your car and simply use the included hardware that comes with the spoiler to tighten everything down and securely hold it in place. Then you'll also see an outline here, which is an outline for your 3M tape to prevent any seepage of water getting inside and damaging anything. Now, for more videos like this, stay tuned and make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you want any videos on how to install VZ102240, we already have them up on our Vicrez YouTube channel. So make sure to go check those out too. Peace.